Goldie has always had a thirst for knowledge and a hunger for success. She's already conquered the world of spreadsheets and charts, but now a new challenge beckons, the realm of compounding assets. Armed with an insatiable curiosity and an unyielding drive, Goldie is on a quest to unearth the secrets of financial growth that have the potential to shape destinies. In the midst of boardrooms and balance sheets, Goldie is seeking to uncover the top 7 compounding assets to start investing in today. With an eye on the future and a heart set on building lasting prosperity, Goldie's journey is not just about accumulating wealth, but also about wielding financial knowledge as a mighty sword. So join us as we delve into the mind of a finance prodigy, a trailblazer who's about to unlock the vault to financial abundance and set the pace for a new generation of investors. As Goldie navigates the intricacies of compounding, we're about to witness a transformation from a driven finance executive to a financial maestro, ready to orchestrate a symphony of investments that will resonate through time. Join Goldie on her journey and click that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to join her on her quest to financial prosperity. And get ready to be inspired, educated, and captivated by Goldie's pursuit of the top 7 compounding assets to start investing in today. Before we get going, let's make sure Goldie understands what exactly is a compounding asset. A compounding asset is like a magical money machine that doesn't just grow your initial investment, but multiplies it over time. Imagine your money working tirelessly, earning not only on what you put in, but also on the gains it accumulates. It's like watching a snowball roll downhill, gaining size and speed as it goes. The longer you let it roll, the bigger it gets. Whether it's stocks, bonds, real estate, or ETFs, compounding assets have the enchanting power to turn a small investment into a monumental fortune. Starting at number 7 are real estate investment trusts, or REITs, which are a great way to start investing in dividend assets. REITs are companies that own and operate income-producing real estate properties, such as office buildings, apartment complexes, hospitals, and shopping centers. By investing in REITs, investors can benefit from the steady stream of income generated by these properties. Additionally, REITs often pay higher dividends than other types of investments due to their tax advantages. Let's take a look at the Schwab US REIT ETF with the stock ticker symbol SCHH. This is a prime example of how Goldie can tap into the world of real estate investing without the hassle of directly owning properties. SCHH is like a virtual gateway to a diversified portfolio of real estate investment trusts, REITs, which are companies that own, operate, or finance income-generating real estate across various sectors like residential, commercial, and industrial properties. By investing in SCHH, you become a shareholder in a basket of REITs, enjoying potential dividends and capital appreciation as the underlying real estate assets flourish. From bustling malls to towering office buildings, SCHH offers exposure to an array of properties that would be difficult to access individually. Whether you're an experienced investor or just stepping into the world of real estate, SCHH provides a simplified way to participate in the real estate market's potential for steady income and growth. Let's shift gears to our number 6 recommendation. Preferred stocks are another type of dividend asset that could be a great way to start investing today. Preferred stocks are shares of a company's stock that have priority over common stock when it comes to receiving dividends and other payments from the company. Preferred stocks typically pay higher dividends than common stocks due to their preferential status, and they also tend to be less volatile than common stocks. Knowing this, Goldie is now searching for an opportunity to invest in a stock that provides steady dividends and has priority over common stock. Preferred stock might be the way to go. One example of a preferred stock is the shares offered by Wells Fargo & Company, WFC-P. These shares pay an annual dividend of 5.5%, which is higher than the dividend yield of the bank's common stock. Additionally, Wells Fargo's preferred stock has a cumulative feature, meaning that if the company ever misses a dividend payment, it owes those unpaid dividends to the preferred shareholders before it can pay dividends to its common stockholders. This type of preferred stock is often attractive to investors like Goldie, who prioritize income and stability, as they receive regular dividends and have a higher claim on the company's assets in the event of bankruptcy. Overall, investing in preferred stock can be a smart and confident move for those seeking a reliable source of income with less risk than common stock. Our next stop takes us to number 5, dividend ETFs. These are dividend exchange-traded funds, a great option for those looking to invest in dividend assets. Dividend ETFs track a basket of dividend-paying stocks or bonds, and allow investors to diversify their portfolio without having to purchase individual securities. Additionally, many dividend ETFs offer lower fees than traditional mutual funds, making them an attractive option for those looking for passive income investments with low costs associated with them. When it comes to investing in powerful compounding ETFs, one of the most popular options on the market is the SPDR S&P 500 ETF Trust, better known as SPY. This index fund tracks the performance of the S&P 500, a benchmark index of the largest publicly traded companies based in the United States. With a diverse portfolio of holdings from various sectors and industries, SPY is a reliable choice for Goldie and up-and-coming investors seeking long-term growth in their portfolio. As of August 2023, the SPY fund had a net asset value of over $445 billion, making it one of the largest ETFs in the world. While the minimum investment required to purchase a SPY share is relatively low, at around $400, the true financial opportunity lies in a more substantial investment. You've got a taste of ETFs, and now it's time to uncover our number 4 choice, Master Limited Partnerships, or MLPs, which are publicly traded partnerships that own energy infrastructure assets, such as pipelines, storage facilities, and refineries, which generate steady cash flows from the sale of oil and natural gas products or services related to these assets. MLPs often pay out high distributions, which make them an attractive option for investors looking for high-yielding investments with limited downside risk potential compared to other asset classes, such as equities or commodities. Goldie has never heard of MLPs, so let's walk her through one of our favorite MLPs. USAC, or the United States Agriculture ETF, is an example of an investment opportunity that offers not only potential growth, but also a high dividend yield of a staggering 10.3%. Goldie is looking for a diversified play, and the agriculture sector seems like just the right place for her. USAC invests in companies that directly or indirectly serve the agriculture industry, with a competitive expense ratio and a dividend yield higher than the S&P 500. Investing in USAC could prove to be a smart financial choice for Goldie and those seeking exposure to the agriculture sector, while also looking for a strong dividend payout. Speaking of strong dividend payouts, let's discuss number 3 on our list, high-yield bonds. This is another type of investment that can provide a steady stream of income through dividends or coupon payments made by the issuer on a regular basis. High-yield bonds tend to have higher yields than other types of bonds due to their increased risk profile, and they can be an attractive option for those looking for higher returns on their investments without taking on too much risk. High-yield bonds are a type of fixed income security that offers a higher return than traditional investment options. These can be in the form of high-yield government bonds or high-yield corporate bonds and are issued by companies with lower credit ratings, which makes them more risky than investment-grade bonds. However, for investors willing to take on more risk, high-yield bonds offer a compelling financial opportunity with the potential for high dividend payments. One example of a high-yield bond is the iShares iBoxx High Yield Corporate Bond ETF, better known as the stock ticker HYG, which provides exposure to a diversified portfolio of high-yield bonds with an average yield of over 4%. This ETF can provide investors with a steady stream of income over time. While high-yield bonds may not be suitable for all investors, those willing to take on a bit more risk may find these securities to be an attractive addition to their investment portfolio. Now don't sleep on the treasure chest of compounding assets, with number 2 on our list, high-yield savings accounts. High-yield savings accounts have become an increasingly popular choice for individuals like Goldie, looking to grow their savings and diversify their assets. In particular, options such as Wealthfront or SoFi provide an exceptional choice for long-term investors looking to maximize their return on investment. With a high annual rate of interest of around 4.5 to 5%, these accounts provide a secure and reliable method for growing your wealth without the added risk of traditional investments. At the same time, these accounts offer unparalleled flexibility, allowing individuals to access their funds when they need it, without incurring harsh penalties or fees. Additionally, through platforms like Wealthfront or SoFi, individuals can enjoy the convenience of managing their accounts online, making it easier than ever to keep track of your savings progress. Whether you're saving for retirement, a down payment on a new home, or simply looking to grow your nest egg for the future, high-yield savings accounts are an excellent choice for Goldie and other smart investors who want to see their money work for them in the long term. And number 1 on our list, drumroll please, is a retirement account. It's time for Goldie and you to build your financial fortress with retirement accounts. Think of them as your trusty shields against the tax monsters. IRAs and 401ks offer amazing tax advantages, making your wealth journey smoother than a silk sail on a calm sea. Retirement accounts are one of the most powerful tools for long-term wealth building and financial potential, and allow you to combine our first 6 strategies under one umbrella account. Their compounding potential allows your money to grow exponentially over time. For example, let's say you invest $5,000 per year in a retirement account for 30 years, with an average annual return of 7%. After those 3 decades, your balance would be over $500,000. This is due to the long-term compounding effects of your investment. The longer you hold your retirement account, the more money you can expect to earn through this compounding effect. This is why it's important for Goldie to start investing early and consistently. Even if you're only able to save a small amount per month, starting now can have a huge impact on your retirement funds later on. So take advantage of the long-term compounding potential of retirement accounts. And there you have it, Goldie, and all you fellow seekers of the cash flow adventure. Imagine these compounding assets as the master key to a vault overflowing with untold riches. Every second counts as your money choreographs a mesmerizing dance, composing a symphony of prosperity that reverberates through the ages. Eager to embark on this exhilarating odyssey toward financial triumph? Then brace yourselves, hit that subscribe button like a true explorer, chime the notification bell for our thrilling updates, and journey with us through a treasure trove of insightful financial revelations. Keep in mind, the sooner you commence, the grander your empire of wealth becomes. Hold on to your seats, because we're about to unveil a secret: 5 assets that outshine cash. Goldie will be your guide in the upcoming video, revealing a thrilling opportunity that could reshape your financial destiny.